In this video, we're going to review how to look at your performance using Black Diamond. From the home page, we want to go always to Portfolio and Dashboard, as this is the main page of Black Diamond. And from Dashboard, we want to click on Performance. As we click on Performance, it gives us different options on the top right: Overview, Details, and Analytics. Now, the Details and Analytics tabs give you the same information. So we'll review Overview and then Details. Now, Details allows us to view our investments two different ways: via return and via market value. From a return standpoint, if we hover our mouse over the blue line, we're able to see just that we've made or lost as the market goes down. And we can see as the market went down during COVID, it went back up and again, and we think it'll go up as the market prevails. Market value gives you, from a dollar standpoint, how much you've made and how much you've lost. Again, as we hover over the blue line, we see a running order between net additions, how much we invested, and how much we have in market value. Prime example, COVID. Before COVID hit in 2020, the account had 315,000. It invested $297. That's almost a $20,000 gain. We see this drop, which now was almost a $100,000 loss. And then a year later, it recovers. And now we have over a $80,000 gain. So with the drop of the market, which happens from year to year, we believe this will happen and go back up over time. Then we have our Details, which breaks down investments further. We have different investment allocations: cash, which, as we can see, is 25% of the account value with the ending value of 59,000. It's made a slight return because cash doesn't lose, but it doesn't gain either. Fixed income, which is 34% of the portfolio, the ending value, and being down currently 9% since the investment started to be invested, and also year to date. Equities, that since inception were up and this year down. And also alternative assets, which is gold, being up and then down for the year as well. And we can break down. So we break down cash. We break down fixed income. From a fixed income important, as we can see, anything that has a zero ending value, that means it has matured or the investment has sold. How investments are shown from a fixed income standpoint: when you currently hold them, they always show down in value. That's how fixed income works, because you don't receive your principal and your interest to maturity. The ones that have matured, zero balance, meaning they gave you your money back and your return. So this has a return of 5.31%. But while it was held, like in this case, it was down in value. And as we can see, as we go down, the value of the fixed income, they do show down in value. But as we can see, these other ones that have zero balance, meaning they've matured, they've paid interest, and they're up in value when they're all said and done. And as we scroll down, we see more examples. This one we still have, so it's down by 80%. Does not look too good, but as it matured, you received all your interest and your principal, and we've made money. And the last is our equities. Equities, the ones that have a zero ending value, that means those have been sold. So in this case, this 1-800-Flowers was sold. You ended up making a gain of 8.47%. This one is still held because we still have a value, and this is currently down. So any investment that we see with zeros by them, again, like this, for instance, We either made money or it's sold and lost money like Aflac, or we still hold them like Amazon, that since we've had Amazon, it's up, but this year in particular, it's down. In the other years, it's up, and that's why we have a total return of 8%. And as we scroll down, every single investment, same way. Apple, ending value, we still have it. This year it's down, but since we've had it, it's been up. And that's how we view our performance as we continue to scroll down with the different investments we have from a stock standpoint, a fixed income standpoint, and also a cash standpoint. Thank you. Have a great day.